Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 34. I need to have a place, something that makes sound in a pattern, a portion of a blank form, someone else's handwriting, something inspired by a fairy tale, and random marks with a paint or a pen. So far I have this chickadee. For some reason I thought it said something that makes a sound in a pattern in nature. So I got a chickadee because chickadees say chickadee dee dee, chickadee dee dee, chickadee dee dee over and over and over again, and that is a pattern. But I don't know why I thought it said in nature, but there we have it. Mine is from nature. This is a page from my mother's diary of August 9th, 1953. A few days before she got married to my father. So I have that, and I have this. This is a place, Paris. I thought maybe I could do something with the Eiffel Tower, because isn't that where the Olympics are this year? I don't really know that much about it. I don't follow the Olympics, but I think they're in Paris, and that's going on right now as I'm filming. And I still need a portion of a blank form, which I thought I could get maybe from this magazine, because they have a lot of like little things that you mail in to get stuff like this. So I think I'm going to use that for my form. You apparently could send this in and get a free package of Satina starch. So that's going to be my form. Not sure about the fairy tale yet. Not actually sure about this. I'm just thinking about it. I might cut a circle. But anyways, I think what I'm going to do is put this down as my background. I may end up covering up all those cute people, and I might fussy cut the chickadee out, or I might find a smaller chickadee to use, because that seems kind of big. And I do think I'm gonna go ahead and use this, but I'm gonna cut a circle out of it. I think I need to go down a little bit farther. So I'm gonna just cut the top off a little bit. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. So that's that. We had our big family reunion this weekend, and it went very well. It was a lot of fun, and now the house is empty. Bethany's back at her house following her routine that she likes. My daughter Rachel went to go visit my daughter Rebecca for a few days. My son Jeremiah went with them. All the other kids, went back to their homes. And now it's so quiet and lonely. And I have to go through that every time after they come up for a visit and then go back home again. But anyway, we had a wonderful time. We went, some of us all went to the county fair, and it was just a lot of fun. Bethany did really well with the commotion and the heat, and she just had a blast. She loved the fair, went on some rides with her niece and her brother and nephew and dad. I can't go on rides, and it was just fun. They all love the animals too. But anyway, let's get back to this. I need to cut this to size right here, and I just might skip, what was the thing I was skipping? The fairy tale, unless I can find some kind of sticker that's associated with a fairy tale that I can just kind of add on. So, but it also says it should be a portion of the form, so I'll probably, you know, put something over it so it's just a portion of the blank form. Or I could just do that. That's not enough of it showing, though, I don't think. So I think I'm just going to do it like this, and I'll just cover a portion of it up with something. So we're going to do it like that. So I have to make my marks for my cuts. So do you guys have like a big family reunion every year? We never did. I started the tradition after my parents sold their hotel, because before that we would all just kind of meet at her hotel, and that was when our kids were little. We didn't have grandkids or in-laws or kids in-laws back then. So I didn't start doing that until after they sold their hotel, and they had a hotel in Ocean Grove, New Jersey, and I just wanted to keep providing like a place where everybody could come back to, you know, catch up with each other and see each other. So that's why we started that. Usually my sister and my niece and her kids come, but they couldn't make it this year. And it's becoming harder and harder to find a date where everybody can come. One of our sons could not come, so that was kind of sad. But we had 8 of our kids here all at once, which is pretty darn amazing, considering how busy everybody is and how far away from each other we all live, and some live nearby and some don't. And then, you know, how busy everybody is. Jobs, and then some have pets that they have to figure out how to get taken care of and while they're gone and stuff. Alright, so I think we're just going to kind of put this like this, and we'll have that cute little girl showing. I'm wondering if I want to cover this with, I was thinking about covering it with the tea bag to make it look older. I'm kind of afraid that it's not going to show through. Maybe I'll just ink the edges for that. I'm also going to look through my bird books and see if I can find a smaller bird, or I will just cut this one out. Alright, so I didn't find a smaller chickadee, but I did find something that could be considered something inspired by a fairy tale, and I thought she looked an awful lot like Rapunzel. So she's my fairy tale bonus. No, that wasn't the bonus. The bonus is random marks. I was going to use the bonus instead of the fairy tale. But for now, we're going to glue our parts on. First thing I'm gluing on is this. Boy, this page is August 10th, 1953. I bet my mother had no idea that she would have a daughter born on August 10th, 1954, which was my sister. Okay, wait, I think it had to go this way. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to cover up too much of her face because she's cute. Alright, so that's going to go there. I think I'm just gonna put this here. I think I'll do that. But I want that like that. So that's going to go there. My chickadee dee pattern found in nature, but I didn't really need to get one that was found in nature. But that's what I did. I don't even know what else you would do. What else makes a pattern? You know? Let's see. Am I over? There. So that actually went down perfectly. That doesn't usually happen for me. So there's the chickadee. I guess we'll just kind of put her there, and I don't really want to cover up my mother's handwriting too much anyway. So maybe we'll do it like that. We'll put her over. Can she go there? No. I guess we'll put her right there. There's no rhyme or reason for this. I kind of do like her there better. And this is all blank. I still like that there. Maybe I'll put some of my random marks over here, so it's not so blank. And don't know what kind of random marks I'm going to put down, but there's a big glob of glue there. Put this on. I just inked the edges on this Eiffel Tower. Pretend that that's where my parents went on their honeymoon. However, they really went to Niagara Falls. Okay. Now, some marks. What color marks should I make? That is the question. I've got some pretty blue here. I got 2 blues, permanent markers. Maybe I'll just... Oh, you can't even really tell they're blue. They look the same. I guess I'm just going to do it up and down a little bit there. Oof, that doesn't look very pleasant. Okay, I think that's good. I feel like I should make that one longer. Okay, well, maybe I can. Just a teensy bit. There. Okay, so let's check and see what we've got. A place is the Eiffel Tower. Something that makes sound in a pattern is the chickadee. Blank portion of a form. Someone else's handwriting. Something inspired by a fairy tale. And my marks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you stay happy, healthy, and strong and safe. And we will see you again soon. I'll probably have other videos up in between my Margarete Millers. So just check it out. And turn on your subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you want to see more. Thanks so much. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.